Choosing the right water cooler can greatly improve comfort, productivity, and daily hydration in any professional workspace. Best water cooler for office solutions offer efficiency, safety, modern design, and reliable temperature options that keep employees refreshed and focused all day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Brio Stainless Steel Water Cooler. The Brio Stainless Steel Water Cooler is designed for users who want convenience, safety, and a modern look in one dependable appliance. Its bottom-loading design eliminates the hassle of lifting heavy water bottles, making bottle changes quick and strain-free, while supporting both 3- and 5-gallon jugs. With hot, cold, and room temperature water options, this cooler adapts easily to daily hydration needs, whether you're grabbing a refreshing cold drink, filling a bottle at room temperature, or preparing tea and coffee. Safety is a strong point, thanks to the 2-step child lock on the hot water spout, which helps prevent accidental burns in homes or offices. Smart technology further enhances usability by alerting you when it's time to replace the bottle, removing guesswork from maintenance. Finished with an elegant stainless steel accent, this Brio cooler blends seamlessly into kitchens, break rooms, or workspaces while delivering reliable performance. It's a practical choice for anyone seeking a stylish, low-effort water dispensing solution that balances comfort, safety, and everyday functionality. Number 2. Avalon BioGuard Water Cooler. The Avalon BioGuard water cooler combines hygiene-focused features with a sleek, modern design that fits naturally into homes and offices. Its bottom-loading system reduces spills and eliminates the strain of lifting heavy bottles, accommodating standard 3- to 5-gallon jugs with ease. 3 temperature settings, cold, cool, and hot, allow users to enjoy everything from chilled water to piping hot beverages at any time of day. What sets this model apart is its BioGuard antimicrobial coating on high contact areas, helping reduce bacteria growth and maintain a cleaner dispensing experience. The stainless steel cabinet gives the unit a professional appearance while remaining durable for long-term use. A built-in night light improves visibility in low-light conditions, making nighttime use safer and more convenient, while the empty bottle indicator clearly signals when it's time for a refill. Overall, the Avalon BioGuard water cooler is a solid option for users who value cleanliness, ease of use, and a polished aesthetic without sacrificing performance. Number 3. Brio Self-Cleaning Water Cooler. The Brio Self-Cleaning Water Cooler is built for those who prioritize hygiene and ease of maintenance without compromising performance. Its bottom-loading design keeps heavy water bottles out of sight and makes replacement simple, reducing physical strain and mess. One of its standout features is the UV self-cleaning function, which allows the internal system to stay fresh with the push of a button, minimizing the need for manual cleaning. This model offers hot, cold, and room temperature water, making it versatile enough for everyday hydration as well as hot beverages. The integrated nightlight adds another layer of convenience by illuminating the dispensing area in dim settings, helping prevent spills and confusion between spouts. It also highlights the removable drip tray, making it easier to know when cleaning is needed. With a balanced mix of smart features, safety, and modern design, the Brio self-cleaning water cooler is a dependable choice for busy households or offices seeking low-maintenance hydration. Number 4. Igloo Water Cooler. The Igloo water cooler is a straightforward and reliable option for users who prefer a classic top-loading design. Its top-loading system allows you to easily see when the water level is running low, making refills more predictable and convenient. Compatible with both 3- and 5-gallon bottles, this cooler provides hot and cold water on demand, ideal for chilled drinks or hot beverages like tea, coffee, and soup. Dual dispensing paddles and separate spigots make operations simple and suitable for a wide range of cup sizes. Safety is addressed through a child safety lock on the hot water spout, reducing the risk of accidental burns. The removable drip tray simplifies cleanup and helps keep the surrounding area neat. With its stable freestanding design and easy operation, the Igloo water cooler is well suited for homes, dorms, or offices that want dependable performance without advanced features or added complexity. Number 5. Brio Black Stainless Steel Water Cooler. The Brio Black Stainless Steel Water Cooler delivers a premium look paired with user-friendly features designed for modern lifestyles. Its bottom loading system hides the water bottle inside the cabinet, making replacements easy while keeping the exterior clean and uncluttered. The UV self-cleaning function helps maintain internal cleanliness with minimal effort, ensuring fresher water over time. With hot, cold, and room temperature options, this cooler supports a wide range of daily needs, from quick refreshment to preparing hot drinks. The built-in night light improves visibility during nighttime use, reducing spills and making the dispensing area easy to see. It also provides clear access to the removable drip tray, simplifying routine maintenance. Finished in an attractive black stainless steel design, this Brio model adds a sophisticated touch to kitchens, offices, or shared spaces. Overall, it's a strong choice for users seeking style, convenience, and reliable performance in one well-designed water cooler. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon